Why does it look so...
It's moving, isn't it?
That
It's
is
coming
moving.
towards us.
That is coming towards
Yeah,
us.
but if it is a cloud,
But
surely
that
they
ain't
do
no cloud.
move.
Look,
Supposed to film it.
Yeah, but that doesn't look anything like a cloud.
there's nothing else in the sky, look, apart from us doing a barbecue.
I went to see, did that plane come out?
Yeah,
Yeah, it did.
Oh, that's right then.
then that weird thing.
That is really weird.
It's actually got smaller again though.
Yeah, it has.
Why does it look so blurry?
I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. I keep trying to
It's
clear
like
my
a piece of
eyes.
candy floss, doesn't it? I know my eyes are bad, but that is blurry.
But it doesn't, that looks blurry. It's like you can't see it properly.
No, you can usually see through clouds.
There's that one cloud over there, look, isn't there?
Yeah, that's normal cloud.
And then nothing else
And
in the
that's it.
sky. Not a
Apart
single
from that
thing.
big
But
thing.
it's changed shape,
Apart from
Tony,
that.
but it isn't
And then
moving.
Them bits coming off it.
It's a
look.
thing-
Isn't it?
the
It's
thing
changed
is,
shape,
yeah.
it's not...
It hasn't actually moved anyway.
No.
The wind's coming
But the
this
thing
way.
is, it's not
Look.
going into...
Yeah, but
It's
look.
got like...
It's not going into little bits like that, though.
Yeah, look,
Bits
look
come
at
off.
look at that, look. Obviously that's blowing that way. If you look
Yeah.
at the smoke, that's blowing that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're in exactly the same place. There, look.
It should have been
Above
quicker
there.
than that, surely.
It hasn't moved.
Yeah.
But you see the lines there, look, where it looks like it's come from them lines.
There.
Yeah,
Go that way, don't I?
yeah.
But why does it just stop there?
I don't know.
Look, if I keep going down, look, then it's in the same place then.
There is a little bit at the top of it, right at, can you see right at the top? Like
Yeah.
bits coming off it.
3 little bits or whatever it is, 4
Yeah.
bits now.
Oh no, they've gone now. Oh, it looks like it's gone bigger again.
It's smaller now.
So it's got smaller again,
Right.
look.
It like goes bigger and smaller. It's
Smaller.
weird.
Yeah, but then things have gone.
Why does it look so weird though?
I don't know.
I don't think it is. I think it's sort of travelling that way, but it just looks as though it's coming towards us. Because it's shrinking again.
Because normally when you look at clouds, you can see them, but that looks like all blurry.
It's all misty
Look
in
how
there.
small it's going. It's going really small.
Oh
look.
yeah, it's gone. No, it's disappearing
It's
now.
still in the same place. It looks like it's
Oh my
getting bigger
God.
again.
No, it's going smaller, Tony.
It's not, like you lot. It looks like it's getting bigger again.
Oh yeah, it is. It's expanding again.
That's weird.
Oh. Usually if it's a cloud, it moves a little bit.
Look how tiny it is now.
No,
Oh, it's gone small
gone
again.
small.
It has gone small
It's
again.
gone small, that has.
That's very tiny
It's
now.
disappearing.
But where did it come from?
Oh,
I have
really
no
know.
idea.
Where did it go?
It's definitely
It's how
disappearing.
it's going, look.
It's going.
Yeah, it is disappearing. Look.
Yeah,
Yeah, but what? It's weird.
Look, it's still the same place. The ice has moved a little bit over.
yeah. It's going. It's
Oh, it's only gone, look.
Oh my God.
It's actually evaporating in front of us, isn't it? But it's not moving. But where did it come from? Why is it fuzzy?
I don't know. Oh my God.
Going,
It's really strange. Oh yes, look,
It's
nearly gone.
disappeared.
Pretty much gone now. It looks like a normal cloud now.
Yeah.
It looks like a cloud was falling. Doesn't it? Out sky.
look at them now, look.
Yeah.
There's weird lines coming out from nowhere.
Yeah,
It looks like a normal cloud now.
No, it does look like a normal cloud, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That was really weird.
Still roughly the same place.
It
Nearly
is,
gone.
Yes, it's slightly over, not a lot. No, it's nearly gone now. That's weird.
I've never seen a cloud
Even the
like that
clouds
before.
going, it's disappearing.
Look, it's a weird one there. Look, if you see them on the camera,
Yeah, I
look.
can
you
see
see them
them
lines.
Them lines, yeah. There was what was over there, Tone.
Yeah,
Oh, it's some
towards
lines
it
coming off
before.
it.
Yeah.
it's nearly gone.
It's nearly gone now, look. Yeah, it's gone.
Gone.
I can see it.
Okay.
Just.
I could just see it.
I can't see it no more.